Python classes, master slots for memory efficiency. Have you ever wondered how to make your Python programs run faster and use less memory? Today, we are going to talk about a feature called slots in Python classes. This feature can help you manage memory more efficiently when working with many objects. Let's break it down. In Python, when you create a class, each instance of that class normally uses a dictionary called dict to store its attributes. This allows you to add attributes freely, but it comes at a cost. Each instance consumes more memory because of this flexible storage. If you create a lot of instances, the memory usage can add up quickly. Now here is where slots comes in. By defining slots in your class, you specify a fixed set of attribute names. This means Python can store these attributes in a compact structure, similar to an array instead of a dictionary. This change can lead to significant memory savings, especially when you create many instances of the same class. Let's look at some key points about slots. First, using slots reduces memory usage. Each instance only allocates space for the attributes you declare, rather than the overhead of a dictionary. Second, accessing attributes stored in slots is faster than looking them up in a dictionary. This can make your program run more efficiently. However, there are some limitations. When you use slots, you can only assign attributes that are listed in the slots. If you try to assign a new attribute that is not in the list, you will get an error. This can actually help you catch mistakes, like typos in attribute names. Also, instances that use slots do not have a dict by default. This means you cannot add new attributes dynamically unless you explicitly include dict in your slots. Additionally, if you want to use weak references to your instances, you must include weakref in your slots. Let's see an example. Imagine you have a class called point. You can define it like this. Class point. Slots is equal to x, y. Definite self x, y. Self x is equal to. Self y is equal to y. When you create a million point objects, using slots means they will use much less memory compared to a class without slots. This is especially useful when you are dealing with large datasets or performance-critical applications. In summary, mastering slots in Python classes is a great way to write memory-efficient, object-oriented programs. It helps you manage attributes more explicitly while optimizing how your program uses resources. If you are working with many instances, consider using slots to improve your program's performance and memory usage.